Rich and tender lamb shank korma. This fragrant dish is bursting with flavour and makes for an easy but impressive family meal. The first step is making the korma curry paste. Add your cashews, vegetable oil, coconut, and tomato paste to your blender or food processor. Then you want to add your aromatics: cardamom, combined garam masala and cinnamon, chili powder, turmeric, coriander, and paprika. Give them a good blitz until you have a lovely smooth paste. Now for the curry. Heat a large frying pan over high heat and add the lamb shanks, cooking until they're lovely and brown all over. This should take about 5 minutes. Then place the lamb in a slow cooker and add your onions. Next, add the curry paste to the frying pan you were just using and stir for 1 minute or until the paste starts to become really aromatic. Once your paste is really fragrant, pour the coconut milk into the pan and add your tomatoes. Keep stirring until everything looks well combined. Then pour your curry mixture over the lamb in the slow cooker and cook for 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. You want the lamb to be so tender it's falling off the bone. Once that's about ready, add the cauliflower to the slow cooker and keep cooking for another 30 minutes on high or until the cauliflower is just tender. Then turn off the slow cooker, add your beans, season with salt and pepper, and cover for 5 minutes or until the beans are just tender. Transfer the curry to a large serving dish and sprinkle with almonds and mint. Serve with steamed basmati rice, mini poppadoms and Greek yogurt topped with cucumber and a sprinkle of ground cumin. Finish by drizzling the lamb with a squeeze of lime. Making your own curry paste from scratch is an easy way to amp up the flavours in this tender lamb korma.